Today we're going to make a tied-on string knock. We're going to make that with bowstring BCY10. You could use serving or probably other things. This is a fixed string knock, and so what I've already done is to tune the bow so that I know what knock height I want, and I've put a brass string knock on it, but I haven't tightened it down. And so this is the lower string knock, and so I'll adjust it so that it leaves the proper gap between it and the upper string knock, and then in the second part of the video I'll do the upper string knock. So why make a fixed string knock that can't be adjusted? The disadvantage, of course, is that it can't be adjusted. The advantage is that it lies flat, it's easy to make, it's easy to replace, and some people like it better than an adjustable knock. It's really no better or worse than an adjustable string knock, but some people like it better. So here we go. Here's our BCY10. First thing I do is make a loop back toward myself, and then I wrap inside the loop about 12 wraps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then I pull this down toward the upper string knock. I decide where I want the top of the lower string knock to be, and that's where I cross the lower part to the upper part. And then I come back over to lock in on that place. I usually lock in a little low at first, and the reason I do that is because then I want to cross back over to the upper side, take a wrap there, and then a wrap around the middle again, and then work my way down. That gives a high point toward the end of the knock, which is desirable. So now I'm unwinding and making wraps in the other direction, and when I get done with the wraps in the other direction, I'm left with a loop here. So I just pull that loop through until I can tighten it against the bottom and snug everything up. Okay, then I give it a little tug to give it a tighten here. You can see the gap I've left between the upper string knock and the lower. I get my forceps. Tug on it a little bit more to snug it down on both sides. And then cut off the excess, for which I need to find my razor. There it is. No need to burn anything. No need for any super glue, just a simple string knock. And this will wear with time, and when it does, you can easily cut it off and put another one on very quickly. It uses very little string or serving, and so, you know, practically doesn't cost anything. Very easy to replace. So some people like that. Fits easily on the hand. So the next thing we'll do is remove this brass knock and put on the top string knock. And so I'll do that in my next video.